Hey, excuse me, young lady.
Mama.
My name is Gaju.
Gaju?
Yeah, my name is Gaju. And I'm new here in Rwanda. I come from Ghana. Oh.
Ntabwo kumva habe n'ikintu na kimwe wavuze neza.
Sorry?
Wavuze neza ibintu tuvuze ntabwo mpaye mbyumva no kwiga.
You don't understand English.
Umva kubwira. Ntabwo ndikumva. Kurashaka iki hano?
Well, I was telling you I'm new here in Rwanda. I come from Ghana. So
ntabwo mpaye numva ibyo uvuga neza.
Jesus.
Okay. I came here to see my friend. She lives around here.
Kandi kera ngarabaza umuntu uzi umva kubwire ndakitu na kimwe mpaye numva vuga neza. Ntabwo wavuga ikinyarwanda kabakobwa. Aho nuko umuntu mwambara guca mukaza mwigira nabi ntabwo muzi ikinyarwanda.
I don't get you.
Aho kandi kera wabona ugiye gukizwa kurarangisha ikanisa ndabona ntako wambaye. Mwarangisha ikanisa.
Hey, I don't get you. Can you try to speak a little bit English?
Habe sino bashana gusubira muri izo bintu havuga.
Well,
Jesus.
Do you know a girl called Aisha?
Aisha Jesus.
No.
Aisha sawa Jesus umakubwira. Ta Jesus umugore wabayeho.
I'm telling you, there's a friend who lives in this area. Who's called Aisha. So, do you know where she lives?
Ntabwo nzi n'ibintu wabimubwira sinzi icyo ushaka gusukutu wambaye ndabona guri mayi kurarangisha urashaka chachu urashaka Jesus Aisha ntabwo mpaye numva abe n'ikintu na kimwe.
Do you know Aisha?
Ntabwo Aisha ntabwo sinzi ibintu wabimubwira Aisha ntabwo wabaje kuvuga Jesus uvuga Aisha Jesus Aisha ta Yesu umugore wabaye.
Oh my God.
Well, I don't know how.
Ta Yesu umugore wabayeho Jesus Aisha kandi ukuntu wambaye. Okay.
Hear me. And I'm sorry for that. I came here in Rwanda. Me, I don't come from here in Rwanda. I come from Ghana.
Muri Ghana iriya hakujya haba kwa babi aho babizima bagi.
Supposed to hear of this.
Kwa bizima muri Ghana. Takibasubira nibende.
Yeah, I come from Ghana. I came here just to see my friend.
Babyiringiro nababagiye muri nababyiringiro mwarahuye. Ayiwe kandi
You what?
Byiringiro mwarahuye.
What?
Nabi umva kubwira. Bose baragiye iriya muri Ghana bose ayiwe kandi uziranye n'abantu biri ruguru bagiye.
So I'm asking you, could you please help me to find my friend Aisha?
Izo bintu bizo tazo n'ubushe. Gaisha we ndamwumva ukura muvuga cyane ka hafite kanisa si.
Aisha. I need Aisha.
Ntabwo umva kubwira. Ntabwo nzi kitu habishaka sinzi nimbushaka kanisa sinzi.
God.
Ubwo kurangira naze byananiye rwose sinzi kitu hari. Ariko kurashaka ikanisa ukeneye Yesu cyane.
What should I do right now?
Babyishimando bagiye babura n'abakobwa bambaye gusa.
Young lady, please. Can you please try to understand me?
Wanguradi na woni.
How many times did they tell you?
Jesus we namusi
Help me. Jesus, what's wrong with this area? I can't even find someone who knows English. Jesus.
Amakubwira. Hari abantu muri quartier nyababwira bitwa abanyakisoka bazana bakagufasha kandi kera ko baza bavuga ibintu kizo barabivuga barabimenyere umva kubwire jewe
You be mumu, you call other people mumu.
You want me to stay here?
Jesus.
ngiye kubaza.
You want me to stay here?
Ngiye kubazana hari abantu uzi baragufasha wowe hagarara gutya kandi ntukubagana n'utuntu wambaye nje ngiye kureba nyakuso bite mugarura muzane aragufasha.
Okay, fine. I don't know if
Takibasa.
What are you?
Guma hano tugira kibazo.
Okay. Hurry up. Jesus.